I'm back with my smoothie, and I topped it with a little bit of cinnamon in the very top of this. Let's taste it. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Danielle. Today I'm back at it with an amazing banana. I've been pushing work all summer. Alright guys, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell right now so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. Let's jump into this video. This is gonna be yummy, 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 and I'm gonna get it started right now. Alright, so in order to make this banana cinnamon smoothie, we're gonna go with 1 cup almond milk. We're gonna throw in a 1/2 cup of oats, old-fashioned rolled oats, and I'll show you what I'm using here. Any kind will do. That's what I'm using. We're gonna throw in a banana, and I'm gonna put in a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon. Get it all in there. Alright, so I'm back and I'm tasting my smoothie. It's pretty good, guys. It's very good. And what I love about it is it's loaded with proteins. This is amazing for you. The Quaker Oats is really good at lowering your cholesterol. And you know, we have proteins going on. We have our almond milk. We have a banana, our potassium. What I also love about this smoothie is that it did not require an additional sweetener. That's it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with a friend or two. Remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Switches until next time. Ciao.